Good day everyone, good day ma'am. I am John Lawrence El Caballo from section T116, and in this video I'm going to talk about myself, how far I understand myself, and many more. So let's go!
Rate yourself from 1 to 10.
From the range 1 to 10, I see 5 as an average and 10 as perfect. As far as I know, I believe I'm more than average, and I don't know if anyone could be a 10 because no one's perfect. So I would rate myself 7. I rated myself 7 because from what I know for myself, I have good talents, skills, intelligence, and abilities that I can showcase and use in this world, and I'm thankful for that. In terms of traits and characters, it's not that good and it's not that bad also, because I know we all have bad sides, so it's 7 out of 10.
How far do you understand yourself?
In terms of the level of understanding myself, I would probably be at level 7 also, out of 10. At this age, I've experienced many rides in life, the bumpy rides of life. And from those experiences, I've learned many things that helped me understand myself better. Especially during this pandemic, I realized so many things that helped me understand myself and helped me improve myself to be better. I rated 7 because I know I'm more capable than I think I am, and I believe that I'm still young. I have more years to conquer, I have more lessons to learn, I have more years to discover my other skills, talents, characters, personality, and everything about myself. And that would be the remaining 3 that I would find out soon.
What is your role identity in the society?
In society, I'm just a regular citizen and student. In our neighborhood, I don't really interact much with the people here, especially with the teens, because for me, we don't share the same vibes and interests. But I'm sociable with my friends, classmates, squad mates, or even acquaintances. It only depends if you have the same interest and comfortability.
How these determining factors affect different aspects of your life?
According to George Herbert Mead, the self is not present at birth. Rather, it develops over time through social experiences and activities. I believe in his theory because social interactions greatly influence and affect different aspects of our life. Before, I don't drink alcohols because I don't like what it tastes like. And also, my uncle don't drink alcohols too, so that gives me inspiration of not drinking even just a glass. But as I made squad mates over the years, I've started to learn how to drink alcohol whenever we have events or celebrations, because they keep saying pangit ka banding or like KJ, and my thoughts during that time is that I think I should just drink because it's not that bad and I know I can handle myself, and just drink moderately. But honestly, I only drink 1 glass during that time. So there are many social instances that influences me, and it's too long to say it all, so my point here is definitely social factors affect our perspectives in life, the way we think, the way we act, and perceive things. So that's it for today guys, that's it for today mom. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!